Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a regular ballet bun. So here's the things you'll need. You'll need hair ties in your hair color, hair gel, bobby pins in your hair color, a hairnet in your hair color, and some hairspray. The first step is to pull your hair into a tight ponytail in the middle of your head. You can take a hairbrush or a comb and smooth out all of the lumps. It doesn't have to be perfect. After you've put the ponytail holder on, you can take that comb that I mentioned and smooth it out so that you're not holding the hair and brushing at the same time. And then it'll be a little bit easier and you can get the hair a lot smoother. The next step is hair gel, and it can be any brand of hair gel. It doesn't have to be the one I showed you. And you're going to put some hair gel in your hands and then put it all over your head so that you are pulling the flyaways close to your hair, and then they'll be underneath your ballet bun. This is especially a good step if you're like really prone to flyaways. You can also put some in your hair that's already in the ponytail so that it stays in the bun a little bit longer. And don't be afraid to use a ton of hair gel and hairspray, especially if it's for a performance, because no matter what, those flyaways are going to happen, and the more you use, the less likely there are to be flyaways. The next step is doing the actual bun. So you're going to twist your hair in either direction and place bobby pins as you are bringing your hair into the shape of the bun. A lot of dancers find bobby pins really uncomfortable, but what I've noticed is if you put them in without opening them, then it's a little bit less uncomfortable. You just kind of have to figure out what way works best for you. But as you're doing the bun, you're still twisting and still placing bobby pins. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to put a hairnet on afterwards, and that'll secure all of the imperfections in the bun. But placing bobby pins as you're making the shape is, I would say, the most important part in order to make it round and to make it stay. The next step is to place the hairnet over the bun. So if you get one of the kinds like this, you're going to have to wrap it a few times. So you place it over the bun and then you twist it, wrap it over the bun again, twist it again if you need to, and then secure the rest with bobby pins. So I usually leave the bun pretty loose before I place the hairnet so that the bobby pins I'm placing now are the ones to secure your bun to your head, and that there's not way too many bobby pins and it's super uncomfortable. The next step is more hair gel. So placing the hair gel in your hands again and going over any loose hairs, any baby hairs, tucking them in, making sure that you don't have any flyaways. I didn't show it in this video, but the next step would be just a ton of hairspray, especially if it's a performance. Just a bunch of hairspray until you feel like your hair is not going anywhere. This last step is entirely optional, but if you have any like layers in your hair or any bangs, you can take some bobby pins or some hair clips in the same color as your hair and just go around and pin them. Make sure that they are gonna stay. So if you don't have a hair clip, one of the best ways to keep bobby pins from sliding around is to crisscross them. And you're done. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Comment if you have any questions.